Totally made my day. He's such a sweet husband. Excited to hear this news because good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is morning for me. It's bright and early, and it's looking amazing outside. Hey, you wanna say good morning? Look, or you just want the food? Say hello. Say hi. Say good morning. Hey, no. Say good morning. Say hello, Tyler. No, take your foot down. Say hello. Hey. Right. Finally, after admiring the food, right? Aww. There you go. He loves raisins, so he's eating raisins out of my plate. He just had his fruits. And he had his bottle earlier this morning, and then I went to work out. Yes, I got my workout in, you guys. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys get your workout in. I wake up really early and I got my workout in, and I made breakfast. As I sat down and about to turn on my laptop, this is what greets me at my laptop. Look at this note that babe left me before he went to work this morning. It's so cute, and it totally made my day. He's such a sweet husband, you guys. So hey, so on that note, hopefully you guys have an amazing day. Make today a good one. Make it productive. Do what you gotta do. Stay motivated. Stay encouraged. Never give up. And on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is magadong. This one is so funny. Okay, magadong means to get slim, to be slim, or to lose weight. Someone in Jamaica said to me, Mel, you get magadong, means I get slim. So make sure you get it. You get it? Make sure you get it. So that's the Jamaican expression for today. And of course, baby's off to work, and he'll put his spin on the Jamaican expression when he gets home later. But for now, I'm going to, hey, you just want to have my breakfast. So now I'm going to go ahead and enjoy my breakfast while Tyler pick out my raisins one by one. Sweet boy, he just want to pick up my raisins. So I'm here working, and I put Tyler in his chair to sit and watch TV, because he have a habit to watch the TV, but he like to stand directly in front of the TV. And I know if he continues doing that, it's going to affect his eyes at some point. So then I put him in his chair. I just put his chair down and I tell him to go sit in it. He sat, and then this happened. Isn't he the cutest? Just sitting there sleeping away. He's so cute. But I'm not gonna trouble him. I'm just going to let him stay there and take his morning nap. Normally I would put him to nap around this time, but I realized that it's like it was like 30 minutes away from his lunchtime. So I said, okay, I'm gonna give him lunch first and then I put him down for a nap. But he's obviously tired, my poor baby. Well, we had a long past 2 days. We've been out and about, so I'm sure he's tired. Oh, he's just so cute though. It has been such a busy day for me today. It has been so busy for me today. I haven't spoke to you guys for most of the day because I have been doing so much work on the computer and looking after Tyler and all that until the sun went down, and I didn't even catch the sunset. So you should know that it was a really busy day for me. Until I'm here giving Tyler dinner because we're going on the road. No, don't do that. We're actually heading to the vegetable store because I'm actually I'm low on vegetables, and babe decides that he no longer wants carbs for dinner. He only wants vegetables and protein. So make it even worse, I have to go to the vegetable store. I'm sure one of my faithful subscribers, she's going to be pretty excited to hear this news because she asked me recently, why is it that babe always not having vegetables? So I told her how much he hates vegetables. I guess he was reading her mind because what's wrong with your face? You're so funny. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that? I hear him saying that he wants vegetables for dinner, but he's going to have carbohydrates for lunch. So at least he's making an effort to eat vegetables. The thing with me, I know he doesn't like vegetables, so I'm not gonna force him to eat what I am eating. He eats whatever he wants to eat until he decides otherwise, because I don't want him to feel uncomfortable or feel like I'm making him do something that he doesn't want to do. He's his own man and he do whatever he wants to do, however I want, whenever I want. I know what I need to do, so I'm doing what I need to do, you know what I mean? So we're actually heading to the vegetable supermarket. I'm ready and here waiting for babe, but because of Tyler reflux, he pukes sometime. TMI, sorry guys. He pukes sometime when he just feed and then drives. So I'm feeding him like about 20 minutes in advance of his usual feed time. That way he can digest a bit before babe gets home. So he'll be fine with the driving, because where we live is on a hill, and to get down to the supermarket it's a lot of turn, and it will definitely make him nauseous. So I'd rather feed him now than have a hungry baby crying in the supermarket or even though I could bring him snack, but I'd rather to give him his dinner than to feed him snack while at the supermarket. So I'm just actually here waiting on babe. He says he's on his way, but I think he's getting the late bus, so he should be here in about 30 minutes or so, which is a good time. So I'll see you guys at the supermarket. You gonna help me? Thank you. quick run to the fruits and vegetable supermarket, and I just stock up on veggies because babe decided that he only want veggies, so I had to buy extra veggies to last for both of us. So I got him some mushroom, which he super love. I got him green beans, which is one of his favorite. I got us some onions because we were really running out of onions and I wanted that. I got him broccoli, I got cauliflower, and I got cabbage because I'm really into cabbage these days. I got this pretty piece of pumpkin for Tyler, and I got some green plantains, which I think I'm going to eventually make them right by themselves. And I also got carrot. So those are just all the things that I get that will last us for this week. So that's just a little vegetable haul. Baby's home and I need to make him dinner. It's also Tyler bedtime, so I'm going to cook babe some green bean real quick, and there's some curry chicken which he's gonna have with that. So that should be babe dinner, which I already eat already. So let's go. Lots of things to get done. Guys, I have a cook buddy in my kitchen. We're having a cook date. I'm making babe dinner. Tyler is off to bed, so you guys won't see Tyler for the rest of this vlog. Oh babe, the Jamaican expression for today. The Jamaican expression for today is magadong.
Magadong?
Maga. Say it.
Maga.
Dong.
Dong.
Right, you know what magadong means? If somebody said to me, Mel, you look magadong, mean I am slim. I'm getting very slim.
Okay, that is the opposite of magadong.
Waga waga.
Oh yeah, waga waga. So okay. Waga waga, magadong.
Right.
Okay.
So make sure you guys get the Jamaican expression today. There you have baby spin on it. I'm making his dinner. So we're just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. So don't forget to like, comment, share, catch up and keep up with us, and subscribe and tell your friend and tell your friend to tell your friend and tell that friend to tell another friend. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.
Bye.